Girls versus boys. Does that really matter? Well, ideally, it shouldn't. I, Haripriya, extend my warm greetings to the judges and all the people out there listening to me right now. God made all of us equal. Then what keeps the fathers away from accepting their daughters? And how long will you continue to kill an innocent life, smashing its heart into pieces? How long? And today, while all of you will live this day at its most, just think about that one innocent child whose life would be taken away in its mother's womb itself. I'm really not shocked to tell you that there are over 12 million girls who've been aborted in India over the past 30 years. Girls versus boys. Does that matter? Really? Not to me, not to you. But what about the rest? Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. That's not just a slogan for the school kids to write essays on. That's something that we as a society need to work upon. And it is the youth's moral duty, to spread this message, to change the mentality of people who think that girls are a burden. I believe that girls and boys are the two wings of a plane. And only when both are equal can the flight of humanity be lofty and reach its true height. So it is us, the youth, we have to spread the message, whether through our raps, songs, plays, dances, all our talent and creativity put to spread the message of equality. We shall be the change we wish to see. And I'd like to conclude by saying something. For all the fathers who think that their daughters are a burden, this one's for you. New Zealand, the country which has handled the COVID-19 pandemic the best, is led by Jacinda Ardern, the youngest female Prime Minister of New Zealand. Finance, I'm sure something very important to you. All the decisions related to it are taken by Miss Nirmala Sitharaman, the Lady Finance Minister of our country. And the old songs you like to listen to, half of them sung by Miss Lata Mangeshkar, the lady heartthrob of our nation. Now I'd like to ask you a simple question. Girl or a boy? Does that matter? Up to you and your mentality. Thank you.